Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Buick LaCrosse. Stock number is A7601. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera here on the back. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's plenty of storage room here in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls are mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.